So switching away from the technical a little bit, or this may overlap, but as a kind of founder of a company, what's been one of the most unexpected things that you found in running your own thing?
I think being a solo founder and building a team has been the most difficult challenge. Um, but I'm really happy to report that, we have a strong foundational core team developed that is really able to fulfill all of the different aspects of the company and work synergistically with each other, communicate with each other. But that the team building aspect as a solo founder in particular has been a massive challenge, and going from uh, PhD researcher managing projects and only having to communicate with myself to building a team and a community and a community space has definitely been the biggest challenge, I think. But it just gets so much easier as new people get added to the team and we start to grow. It just brings me a lot of energy and brings so much value having dissenting opinions, multiple skill sets, different ideas coming to the forefront that, I would have never thought of. The person next to me would have never thought of, but the new person, that's really what has been the most challenging, but also the most exhilarating part of building the company, I would say. And also just breaking down, there's so many things that I had to become just good enough to pass by. And I kind of forgot that, people, it's just been for the last couple of years, it's been having to do whatever's needed and not really think about, oh, I want to do the mechanical design. That's what my job is. It's more just like, oh, I need to review this patent now. It's like I have to become just good enough to read a patent and figuring out what the claims and the abstract and the background means and is used for. And then the next time it's, oh, what's the trademark in Illinois? I have to become just good enough to read an electric diagram and recreate or do testing with an oscilloscope, just good enough in electrical engineering. And it's been so much of just doing everything that that's been difficult. I've just forgotten like what it means to have a one job description, I guess. So there's another one.
Be sure to check out our website, www.3degreescompany.com, for more content.